Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off show subject field in messages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Messages. Then scroll down to the bottom and in the SMS or MMS section, tap on Show Subject field. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When we switch it on, then when you compose a text message, it will show the subject field right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.